Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get screen recorder for free on mobile device any version of your device. Just click Play Store and search ADV screen recorder. This is screen recorder no root with Facecam. So just if you're installing finish, click open. Then go to settings and click use camera to make a face cam, and that's it guys. Please like and subscribe and rate my video if I hope my video help you. Bye bye.